Hello guys, welcome to our new YouTube channel. So in this channel we're going to be cooking very cheap and healthy meals that you can cook at home. So today we're going to start with cooking Viazi Karai. So Viazi Karai, these are wedge potatoes which are coated in a paste made of flour and food color. So, but before we move on, please remember to subscribe. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe down there. So going down to our ingredients, we are going to require wedge potatoes. We are going to require some flour, some wheat flour. We're going to require some dania. This is our dania. We're going to require some salt. This is our salt. And we're going to require some food color. Now this is the main ingredient here, our food color. And then going down, we need our wedge potatoes. Now these are my wedge potatoes. I have already boiled them, so you don't need to go back boiling them. I've already boiled them, so they're going to be very fast. Yes. And then we need some oil. Now some oil which is already, our oil is already heating up. We need to be so heated so that it will be frying so fast. We need some 2 minutes. So now we are going to make our paste. Our paste is made of wheat flour, some little salt, here, some little salt, and our food color. This is our food color. I'm going to put all of it. Depends on how much you want your wedges to be. How much you need the color. If you want too much color, you need so much food color. If you need little color, just put a little bit. Then I'm going to put in our coriander, our dania. So that is our dania. And then now we're going to put in some water. So I'm going to make our paste. I'm going to put in some water. So as for me, I'm using a fork to stir this flour, but you can use a whisk. If you have a whisk, you can use a whisk. But remember, it's our simple kitchen. We're using things which are readily available. I don't want to talk about the whisk. Maybe some of us don't have a whisk. We're going to make our paste. It is supposed to be thick, It is supposed to be thick, so that it can coat the wedge potatoes so well. If you make it to be light, it won't coat the potatoes. It will be peeling off. Water. So in Nairobi, people call this Bhajia. But when you go to the coast, Bhajia and sweet and wedge potatoes or Viazi Karai, they are two different things. So when you go to the coast and you say, I want Bhajia, if we give it now the Bhajia itself, so next time we're going to cook our own Bhajia. So our paste is almost ready. We're going to beat it so there's no flour left. Give it a good stir. Viazi Karai, you can take them in the morning or at 4 when you're feeling your stomach is hungry. So our flour is almost ready. Before I forgot, I put my jiko on so that the oil can continue heating. It needs to be so hot so that it can fry properly. So you can see it is thick enough to coat these potatoes. I like my potatoes when they are so much of yellow, so I'll add some little food color. So as you can see, our paste is ready. Remember, this paste is made of salt, food color, wheat flour, and some water. You just stir it. So now it's soft enough and thick enough to coat the potatoes. So I'm going to put in my potatoes now in my flour so that I can continue coating. Gently so that you don't break them up. Remember, I need them to be whole. The way I cutted them is the way I want them to appear. The shape will remain intact. Yeah. So they are coating. Let me put my oil is ready. Now let's give it some little time so it's ready. So viazi karai you can take with ukwaju or some tomato paste. It is very sweet. So I'm going to be putting my potatoes here, my wedge potatoes, my viazi karai here once they are ready. Take your spoon now, or whatever you're using, to put your potatoes in the oil. Our oil is now ready. That way. So now they're now being deep fried, yeah, in oil. So you have to give them you have to fry them like 5 to 6 minutes so that they can be ready. Don't be in a hurry, because when you stir, the paste will be moved out from the wedge potatoes, and we don't want that to happen to our potatoes. So just give it some good time. They are doing so well, they are still frying. I said make sure you give them some average time so that they can fry so well. So this is how I cook my oil viazi karai at home. I'm not saying this is how you should do it, but this is how basically it is. I'm going to check it for how now it's done. Okay, give them some little time. I said 5 to 6 minutes will be well deep fried. We don't need the coat to be what do we call it? I don't want the coat to remain wet. I want it to be very dry. going to turn them. So turn them so they can be fried both sides. So the side which is down. Yes, so they are going to be fried all around. So you can see they are dry and they have that crispy touch. You can still stir them and they are not being, the shape is not being distorted and the coat is not moving, so you know they are ready. That's when you know they are ready. So now you can remove them from the oil. So removing them from oil, I have this plate here. I'm going to put like that so the oil doesn't spill off. I'm going to remove them. They are ready. Ready and looking very yellow. Oil now. The yellow color, well shaped, a good shape. Viazi karai are ready. You can see the yellow color, the dania, the coriander here. You can see, yeah, and they are ready. They are crispy. They have that crispy. So that was it for today. I've finished cooking my viazi karai. Please, if you have enjoyed our video, if you have learned something new, so that I basically said earlier that is how I make my viazi karai. So there are so many other ways you can make your own viazi karai. So that is how the easier way to make viazi karai. So please subscribe to our video and help us grow. Down to the left, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so that every time I upload a video on cooking, you are notified at the same and you'll be the first one to watch. Thank you.